Hi guys, all throughout this channel you have been watching magic, illusion, life hacking and all those things that related to mystery and deception, but right now you're gonna get a twist. I'm gonna twist things up, and right now you're gonna see magic in a very different way. So if you are new to my channel, I consider you subscribing and also click on the bell button so that you get a notification when a new video is uploaded. So if you are new and haven't watched any of my videos, so just go to my channel right now and just watch the previous videos, the videos prior to this, and then come back to this video now. But if you are an old subscriber and if you have watched my videos earlier, stay tuned. Right now, I'm gonna show those videos, those footage where I got my magic wrong in live filming. So we went out on the street or stage, wherever, and then the camera was rolling and then things go wrong. Maybe my failure, or maybe the audience didn't react properly. So guys, today you're gonna see the failures I met as a magician. Stay tuned, coming up.
Kita ulam mo, all side ulam mo, oh mix, okay. What the fuck?
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦꯀꯣ, ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯗꯅꯦꯀꯣ, ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ. 100ꯇꯒꯤ ꯅꯪ 1ꯗꯩ 100 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯅꯪꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯣ ꯈꯜꯂꯕ? ꯈꯜꯂꯦ. ꯅꯪ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯣ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ? 68. ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ. ꯅꯪ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ.
Nang hujik ihawin makan oi. Nang hujik ihawin makan oi. Mau hujik makan. Mau hujik makan dah. Makan dah. Ai oi mo. Oi.
Anh gọi mà bay. Yes. Mình tụi lên. Này tụi lên.
Yadraba.
Boleh ke YouTube sini? Video nama kampung ni, video nama apa? Ada.
Hope you guys like the video, so just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends in your social media. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the video. Also subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button so that you get a notification when a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.